Currently, we have an interesting development in Nnamdi Kanu's freedom case, right? As now we'll be reviewing United Kingdom's stance in the whole matter of Nnamdi Kanu. The United Kingdom, that is Britain, their stance in the whole case. That is what we intend to really focus on in this news item here in Noble Media. We have been following this Nnamdi Kanu's court case up all this while, as we believe that within a short time he will be out. If you have not subscribed, this is the right time for you to click on subscribe and also click on join to be a full member of our channel. Now, IPOB knocks UK government over silence on Kanu's detention. IPOB, Indigenous People of Biafran, knocks UK, United Kingdom government over silence on continued detention of Nnamdi Kanu. The Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, has belated the United Kingdom for its alleged complicity in the alleged illegal rendition and detention of its leader, Nnamdi Kanu. We must now move on. IPOB, in a statement by its spokesman, Media and Publicity Secretary, Emma Powerful, titled United Kingdom's Complicity in Nigeria's Illegal Rendition and Detention of British Citizen Nnamdi Kanu. Don't forget that Nnamdi Kanu is not just a Nigerian citizen, he is also a British citizen. That is part of the reason why people like us in Noble Media, we really highly esteem Nnamdi Kanu, because as a British citizen, he could have focused and relaxed in Britain with his beautiful wife and his family and children, and not bother about whatever is going on in Nigeria. I mean, he's a prince, he came from a privileged background, but he still chose to fight for his people. Okay, now we move on. IPOB, in the statement by its spokesman or Media and Publicity Secretary, Emma Powerful, titled United Kingdom's Complicity in Nigeria's illegal rendition and detention of British citizen Nnamdi Kanu, a judicial and moral indictment. They cried the continued silence and what it called apparent complicity of the United Kingdom government in the fatal violation of Nnamdi Kanu's rights. I mean, if Britain has not said anything, has not been very active seeking for the release of Nnamdi Kanu, it means that perhaps they may be complicit, their hand may be in the continued detention of Nnamdi Kanu. Let's move on. The pro-Biafran group, which described Nnamdi Kanu's rendition as flagrant and breach of Section 15 of the Nigerian Extradition Act, Article 12, subsection 4 of the African Charter on Human Rights, Human and People's Rights, and Article 9 and 14 of the ICCPR, to which both Nigeria and the United Kingdom are state parties. IPOB statement reads, the Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, decries the continued silence and apparent complicity of the United Kingdom government in the face of Nigeria's gross and well-documented violation of international law, domestic law, and judicial precedent against Nnamdi Kanu, a British citizen and a freedom advocate. We must now move on. Nnamdi Kanu was abducted in Kenya in June 2021 in a state-sponsored criminal act of extraordinary rendition and forcefully returned to Nigeria without any extradition proceedings, a flagrant breach of Section 15 of Nigeria Extradition Act, Article 12, subsection 4 of the African Charter on Human and People's Rights, and Article 9 and 14 of the ICCPR, to which both Nigeria and the United Kingdom are parties. Right? Ab initio, the way Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped, captured, tortured in Kenya was illegal, and the UK and Nigeria knows that. What makes the United Kingdom silence? What makes the United Kingdom's silence especially appealing is that this is not an abstract diplomatic disagreement, but a matter in which the United Nations Working Group on Arbitrary Detention, opinion number 25/2022, unequivocally declared Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's detention illegal and ordered his immediate release and compensation. The Kenyan High Court ruled that his abduction on Kenyan soil was unconstitutional and awarded damages for Kenya's complicity. The Nigerian Court of Appeal, October 2022, held that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's extraordinary rendition constituted a fundamental violation of Nigerian law, effectively nullifying the proceedings against him. All these are three different court judgments that said that Nnamdi Kanu should be freed. The Federal High Court, sitting in Umuahia, 2022, awarded Mazi Kanu 500 million naira in damages for same violations. Three judicial forums in Nigeria, Kenya, and the UN level have all concluded that Nnamdi Kanu's fundamental rights were trampled upon. This IPOB talking. If all these courts have said this, why can't the United Kingdom come forward to pressure Nigeria to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? It's still a mystery if their hand is not in it. It is alarming that after all this, the United Kingdom government, under the pretense of consular ambiguity and dual nationality, has refused to act or even issue a formal condemnation. This is in stark contradiction to its own principled reaction in the Duko Affair 1984, where it condemned Nigeria's attempted rendition of Umaru Duko from UK in the strongest diplomatic terms. So if they were able in 1984 to do it for Umaru Duko, why are they silent on Nnamdi Kanu's case? Severed diplomatic ties, threatened legal action for violation of international law and British sovereignty in Diko vs. the State, 1987, the Supreme Court of Nigeria, per Kalibi White, made a judicial pronouncement that remains timeless. The trial of an accused person who has been brought before the court in violation of international law and without compliance with extradition proceedings is nullity. Jurisdiction cannot be conferred upon the court by illegality. That means if you bring somebody from another country to Nigeria to stand before a court without following due process, then the court will lack the jurisdiction to try the person. That means Nigeria is not supposed to have the right to even try Nnamdi Kanu at all. It is deeply ironic, if not disgraceful, that while Nigeria is abandoning its own Supreme Court precedent, the United Kingdom has chosen silence, thus betraying the very principles it once stood for. This is very sad, indeed very sad. As we are making this video, we know that people inside Nigeria will get to watch this video. People, Nigerians in UK, in US, Canada, Gambia, in several parts of the world will watch this. Come under the comment of this video and type free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Come under the comment of this video and type free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, or tell the British government to do the right thing. British government, free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. British government, free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. To add further salt to injury, the alleged offense of which Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is being prosecuted, primarily political broadcasts, were not committed in Nigeria. The applicable Nigerian law, Section 76 of the Terrorism Prevention and Prohibition Act 2022, provides that Nigerian court can only assume jurisdiction where the alleged act is also a crime in the place it was committed. The well-established principle of double criminality. There is no evidence nor allegation that the United Kingdom, where the broadcasts were allegedly made, has found them criminal under UK law. Therefore, by Nigerian law, no court in Nigeria has jurisdiction from the onset to put Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on trial. By Nigerian law, no court in Nigeria has jurisdiction from the onset to put Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on trial. Please come under the comment of this video and type free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now. Free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu immediately. Britain, free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. IPOB, United Kingdom, free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. IPOB therefore demands, in view of the above, We call on the United Kingdom government to publicly condemn the extraditory rendition and continued detention of our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Not forgetting that this person we are talking about is also a citizen of Britain. So why are they leaving their citizen to be treated anyhow, unlike what they did in other people's case? United Kingdom, Britain is not known to joke with their citizens. So it is surprising that in Nnamdi Kanu's case, they are keeping mum. They are not doing anything. They seem to be working hand in glove or just paying a blind eye to whatever Nigerian government wants to do with Nnamdi Kanu. We also urge the United Kingdom to invoke diplomatic and legal mechanism to demand Kanu's immediate and unconditional release, just as they should clarify its position to the British Parliament and public on how it justifies inaction where a British citizen is illegally abducted, tortured, and indefinitely detained in breach of international law. We must now move on. Remember to share this video. Share this video. We need more people. We need more of our people to watch this video and come under the comment of this video and type Britain free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. British silence in this case is not neutrality, it is complicity. It means they have a hand in it if they are silent. The UK must choose between its stated commitment to human rights and the rule of law and its political convenience in shielding an illegality of the state. It cannot do both. History will not forget where Britain stood in this defining moment. This is what it is. This is the situation right now in Kanu's case. Of course, anybody has the right to agitate for self-determination. Come under the comment, keep typing free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Britain free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We need to do this. Let more of our people know what is happening. If you have not liked this video, this is the right time for you to click on like this video. Everybody must remain strong. Don't lose faith, don't lose heart. We must remain strong in this battle for justice, for freedom of a people that have been brought under crude leadership. Type free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, type Britain free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Share this video, like this video, and join our YouTube channel to support our channel. If you have not subscribed to our channel, click on subscribe right now. Remember, there's an important video I'm leaving for you on the screen right now. Click on it and watch now.